Hi, and welcome to Opti Health. The use of essential oils in aromatherapy has become popular because of its claimed benefits, unique scent, and healing properties. They are often used to relieve yourself from stress, boost your mood, relieve headaches, repel insects, help you get a good night's sleep, ease nausea, and a lot more. These oils are often used with an aromatherapy diffuser, which is emitted in the air to provide a pleasant smell and psychological benefits. But are essential oils really safe to use? Are there any potential dangers of using it for a long period of time? Let us find out the untold truth about these oils and the dangers with it. But before we start, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to get updates on future videos. Let's get started. Essential oils are from various species of flowers, fruits, leaves, grasses and trees. They are found in the bark, stem, roots, leaves, seeds, and petals of a plant. They contain aromatic compounds that can affect air quality when used indoors. However, numerous clinical studies and research articles found in UC San Diego, and even United States Environmental Protection Agency, stating that essential oils emit numerous volatile organic compounds that are considered as potentially hazardous under federal regulations. Volatile organic compounds are emitted as gases from certain solids or liquids. They include a variety of chemicals, some of which may have short and long-term unfavorable health effects. The common ones, tea tree oils, lavender oils, and eucalyptus oils, which are claimed natural and organic, have been clearly studied using headspace gas chromatography or mass spectrometry, and yielded shocking results. From the 24 oils tested, 595 volatile organic compounds were identified. From the 595 volatile organic compounds, 124 were identified as potentially hazardous. Some of these were acetaldehyde, methanol, benzene and toluene. Acetaldehyde is an organic chemical compound that is highly reactive and toxic. When it enters the bloodstream, it can result in a faster heartbeat, a headache, or an upset stomach, while causing damage to your membranes, and possibly causing scar tissue. It is also responsible for localized cancers, brain damage in prenatal infants, and growth suppression. Benzene is an organic, aromatic hydrocarbon that is a known carcinogen and causes leukemia. Methanol exposure may include headache, weakness, drowsiness, nausea, difficulty in breathing, drunkenness, eye irritation, blurred vision, loss of consciousness, and possibly death. Toluene is a clear, colorless liquid with a distinctive smell, and is used in making paints, paint thinners, fingernail polish, lacquers, adhesives, and rubber. Inhaling toluene vapors in small amounts may cause a mild headache, dizziness, or drowsiness. With more serious exposure, toluene may cause sleepiness, irregular heartbeat, fainting, or even death. If you still opt to use the aromatherapy diffuser, please make sure to read and know the safety regulations before using. Here are some of them. Do not diffuse too long. The greatest beneficial therapeutic effect is received by diffusing oils for 15 minutes. This will keep our nervous system from exhausting itself with uninterrupted stimuli, causing the body's receptors to experience temporary sensory fatigue. Do not use too much oil. It is safest to have 5 to 6 drops of essential oils to avoid the nervous system from being overburdened with molecules. If you intend to use the diffuser at night to help you relax and sleep, give a thought to diffuse your room 30 minutes before you go to bed. When you enter the room, the scent of the essential oil has already settled, and will aid your body prepare to snooze. In conclusion, the application of these oils are way overused and overpromoted, especially from people in multi-level marketing. They should be kept for medicinal use under the guidance of qualified, trained professionals. It is also our responsibility to weigh its potential benefits and health hazards. Remember, Before using each oil, please research about it and adhere to all precautions. It doesn't mean it's natural, it's already safe. Thank you for watching. Always remember to maintain a healthy diet, stay hydrated, and wash hands frequently, to avoid contacting germs and viruses. Also don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share, to keep updated on future videos.